Well, we're here again. You know what's crazy? So I've been like 2 days plotting this shit, right? Like I've done my due diligence. I've been studying the field. The problem is that there's no tickets available.
There has to be some type of solution.
No, brother. There is a solution, and it's buying these tickets right here. It's buying these tickets on row 1, for $100,000.
God.
Look at this picture, right? This is what I love about CT. These are the seats right here. These are $100,000 tickets right here. You're literally like, this is exactly what I need, brother. That is like,
that's easier than the first time around,
brother. That is it. The thing is that if I were to go get 2 tickets right now for you and I, look at this right here. We come here. I go to 2 tickets. I click continue. Plus the fee that this fucking platform charges. It's gonna be $220,000.
You gotta be kidding.
Why are you stuttering, bro? Why are you stuttering?
I could think of so many things we could use that money
Hell
for.
I know, but just think about it, bro. It's just like that right there. Us getting those tickets is a lock. We're on the field 100%. Oh, and another thing. This is another side note, bro. We can't wear those cleats. The stairs are white, so those cleats, you're gonna be able to very clearly see that they're cleats when we're going up and down. So we need to get different cleats. I really don't want to spend $220,000 on fucking Super Bowl tickets. And the problem is that I've been checking this out every single day for the last week. Look, right now it's currently January 19th. So we're about 19 days away, right? Roughly, or whatever the time is for the Super Bowl.
Okay.
And the prices aren't going down and more tickets are not being available. We got our tickets last time with like 48, not even 24 hours, right? Maybe we got lucky, but I need to lock this in now.
Lock in 200 something grand right? For tickets.
And then I can get you one
for a 40-minute game.
For what, the cheapest one is like $9,000, bro. I can get you one here for $9,000 or this one for $7,000 in the nosebleeds. And then somehow we sneak you in down here. And once you make it down here, then we just figure it out. Like you just like
never make it.
Respectfully, right? Homie, this physique, you are not faster or stronger than me. This guy with shades will never see it coming. A girl stands no chance.
Facts.
Fatty over here is just not happening. None of these people are qualified to remotely keep up with me. They're not wearing cleats. I'm gonna zook them. No.
Hello, you.
I love you.
Oh. I'm so confident in myself. With this lineup right here, we're on that field.
I agree with him. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
More of my research and I'll get back to you guys. But right now it's looking like a.
So from my experience, I've worked football games and I've actually been on the field, and yeah, your back starts to tighten up, your body starts to get fatigued. You standing there, you just looking around. You wish you had just at least just an earbud or something that you could put in because you're just so boring just standing there. And especially you're not even looking at the game. You're looking at the people. That's your whole job. Your whole job is to look at the people to make sure that nobody jumps off of out of the stands. And to know that that's what they're going to be doing. Trust me, those people are not ready. The people that I used to work with or work around, because you're working around these people, is older ladies, older guys. These people have, I don't even understand how they even get their security license. Like, this is crazy how you get your security license and you can't secure nothing. You're not even able-bodied or anything like that. Shout out to this guy, man. He was the streaker that actually jumped out of the stands at the Super Bowl. Matter of fact, let me show y'all this clip. Yeah, they fatigued, man.
I got this.
Boom.
I got this.
Got him. Got him as soon as he got over there. At least he made it on the field. Oh, man. He made it across the field. Cut through again.
Come on. It's me. Take me as I am. Gangster from the streets. I am a perfect 10. Nobody can't read me. I'm in no take no talk. Gangster from the walk. Can't take the talk. I say it's me. Take it as I am. Gangster from the streets. I am a perfect 10. Nobody can't read me. I can't take no talk. Burn them with the torch. Burn them blood clot. I'm really tired of working hard from this point on. I'm doing me. I was born to be a boss and you can't take it out of me. I was born in the ghetto. I was raised in the street. Had a lot of life blessings. This is what it made me. You can't take it out of me. I can't shake it out of me.
Oh, we made it out! That was so quick.
I wish we had a camera in there, bro. These jail stories, bro. I can't even make them up, bro. 3 crackheads.
Yeah, shout out to these guys, man. I didn't even know who this guy was before all of this, but he popped up on my timeline, so I just want to share this with everybody, man. You already know, like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy, Urben Currse.